Hi, I'm Justin Gutwein, and today I'm going to show you how to create, monitor, and manage new initiatives with Erudit Actions. So here on the Actions page, we can see a variety of actions that we actually have in flight already, and some high-level information on those actions. So in our video covering filters, we found out that there's actually an autonomy issue in this organization in the engineering department. So let's create an action to address that. So I'll start by hitting Create Action. I'm going to give this a title. So we have our action owner, and we can actually add collaborators to help us work on this. So I'm going to invite Alejandra, and then our start date, the date that we want it to be completed. So now we're going to choose which area of the company we want to target with this action. So I come to Select Segment. We are going to target the engineering department. Excellent. So now we're going to choose what metric we want to move and what our target value for that metric is. So I will choose autonomy and 76%. I think that's a good goal. And now the status. We're going to start this immediately, so we'll put in progress. And then here in description is where I'm going to type up what the strategy and plan actually is. Give me a moment while I type this up. Now that we have our plan all typed up and ready to go, we hit Create Action. All right, so we've created our action, and now we can monitor its progress as we move forward. Let's go ahead and fast forward about a month and see how things are going. All right, so our action's been in place for about a month. Let's check in and see what kind of progress we've made. So here we are, increase autonomy in engineering department. I can see a high-level view of how we're doing. So when we click in, we see a more detailed view of the action, including where we started, where we're at now, and our target. So overall, we're doing pretty well. It's been 30 days, and we've moved from 40 to 68%. We still have a little ways to go, but overall, I'm pretty happy with this progress. So that's a quick look at actions in Erudit. If you'd like to see more, feel free to book a demo or a free trial, and thank you so much for watching this video.